Good morning, everybody. This is Paul with Expedition Astro and another video. Now, today I'm talking about the Astro van that can. My camper van transmission is going bad, so I'm gonna have to replace that. I was driving it yesterday, bringing it down to the shop just to kind of do some ins and outs and lighting and stuff like that for the trailer hitch and the brake light that I put on the back. Ran into some problems with that, but coming down, transmission was running pretty rough. Van was bucking a little bit, wouldn't shift, so it's a transmission time. So I'm gonna take the transmission I got sitting in the shop, take it in and get it repaired. Actually, going to get it rebuilt to replace the one that's in it. They're talking about 1,800 bucks, 1,700 bucks, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna have them do the rebuild, and then I will swap it out myself here at my shop. Yeah, I got to do that first before I start doing anything else, because it doesn't make sense to be building when your stuff's not working. With that being said, there's a few things in the van that needs to be repaired, such as the power steering hoses are leaking, so I got to figure out which one it is. And I thought it was power steering pump again, but it's not. It's actually the power steering hose, and I think it's to the reservoir. So I think the reservoir hose needs to be replaced, and a couple of other things. But the van is peachy. Other than that, I've cleaned it out quite a bit, moved some stuff into the pop-up so I don't have to have all that weight in it when I'm driving it. It was doing pretty good coming down, but I just noticed it wasn't, being a mechanic, I could feel it. Most people don't really pay attention to that stuff. They just, it broke down and they call somebody to pick it up. Me, I can feel when the vehicle's not doing right. I can feel it. There's something wrong. And it's the transmission. It needs to be replaced. I bought that one from a local salvage yard when I blew it up the first time. And I still have the original one. I'm gonna take that one, put it in. I'm gonna, have it rebuilt, then put it in, and then take the one that I have in the van and have it rebuilt so it's already ready. So if anything goes down, I already have one available, and I can just switch it out and just take it over to the, get it rebuilt. I'm not a transmission guy. I don't rebuild transmissions and stuff like that. So, no, I'm not gonna try. I just wanted to say good morning. Got my orange juice. Got my orange juice and my Monster. I ate a donut. Getting up this morning, and yeah. But you enjoy your day. I got a lot of work to do today. I got to make money to pay for that training.